Good morning students. Today I am going to explain the chapter Lancho, Letter to God. The house, the only one in the entire valley. His house was, there was only one house in the entire valley, and it was situated at the top of the low hill. From this height of the house, one could see the field of ripe corn, dotted flowers, and it was promising a good harvest this year. One thing was required, that was a downpour or at least a little shower. Lancho, who knew about his field, everything, he did not do anything from the morning. He just think from towards the sky, towards the he was just seeing in the sky, but towards the northeast. Now, when he saw the northeast, then he told his wife that today we will get some water from the sky, and his wife agreed. Who was preparing supper for her family, and the elder boys were working in the field, and the smaller boys were playing inside. They were just out of the house till the time her mother did not call them. And when they started, then she called all of them. They started to have dinner, and as they started to have dinner, the big drops of rain started to fall down. From the northeast, big mountains of clouds were approaching nearer. The air was fresh and sweet. The Lancho went out to have the pleasure of rain. He said that these are not the coins, these are the drops of coin. These are not the raindrops, these are the coins. Big drops are equal to 10 cents and small drops are equal to 5 cents. Then he saw that his whole field was covered with the rainwater, flowers, corn, each and everything. He was seeing all these things with a satisfied expressions. And after that, very soon the weather changed. Big strong winds started to blow. With the rain, hailstone began to fall down, and these hailstone was looking like silver coins. The boys also came out to collect the hailstone. Now Lancho said it is really getting very bad, and the man said, I hope that it should stop quickly, but it did not stop. It was raining for continuously an hour. The whole thing, valley, house, cornfield, hillside, all the things were covered with hailstone. When not a single leaf was remain on the trees, the whole cone was destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. When it stopped, it stood in the middle of the field, and he said to his son that if a plague of insect would attack on our field, then it would have left something. But now the hail has left nothing. This year we will go hungry. But in the whole of the heart of the whole house, there was only one person in whose heart one hope was there, that no one will help them, but one person in the world who can help them. Who is that one person? The God is that one person who can help them. Then he said to his family members that don't be so upset, because in this world no one dies because of hunger. And the whole family member agreed that yes, no one dies because of hunger. The whole night Lancho was thinking about the help which he was getting from the God. He says the God whose eyes see each and everything. Even he sees deep in one conscience also. Lancho was like an ox. He is very hardworking. As the ox is a hardworking animal, in the same way he also was a hardworking person. He used to work hard in the fields. Still he knew how to write. The next Sunday he started to write a letter to God. It was nothing less than a letter to God. He wrote in that letter that if you will not help me, then my family will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos so that I can grow my crops again, and my family till the time crops will not be there, my family can survive. And he write the address on that envelope to God. He put the letter inside that envelope, and he went to the town. He put a stamp on it, and he dropped the letter into the mailbox. Such a confidence, such a faith was God that cannot be seen nowadays in any man, in any human being. Such a faith Lancho had in God, and how God helped him or not, we will read in the next part. Thank you.